Hey dancers, Miss Nicole here with activity number 8. Go into your bag and get out the Ziploc bag that says Activity 8, DIY Dr. Seuss book. There's just a few materials that are in here, so let's talk about them real quick. A book with a yellow cover and some holes in the cover, and a couple of pages, and a blue and white string. You're also probably going to want your markers, or maybe your crayons, and probably a pencil or something else to write with. Today's activity is based off of the previous activity, your green eggs and ham Mad Libs. During that activity, you created a really funny, goofy story that was similar to Dr. Seuss's Green Eggs and Ham. You're gonna take that story that you created in your Mad Libs and turn it into a book, complete with illustrations and words. You have two choices for how to assemble your book. If you want to wait to assemble it until you've actually written and drawn your pictures and colored your whole entire book, that's perfectly fine. Let me show you how to put your book together when you are ready to bind the whole thing. Open up your book to the very middle. Make sure that the holes on the top and the bottom are lined up completely. Then your string's gonna go through the top hole and also through the bottom hole so that you've got a straight line of string right in the middle. Fold your book up, and on the outside you've got 2 strings left to tie up. And your book is bound. Have fun creating your very own Dr. Seuss style book. I can't wait to see what creative stories you come up with, the awesome drawings that you create, and what fun you have while you're doing it. Bye, dancers!